Good morning and happy Monday. Okay, I just learned something new. I've been doing this business now for 2.5 years and I just learned something new. So of course I'm gonna come on here and share it with you guys. All right, when you hop on, let me know. Hashtag Happy Monday. Good morning, Marie. Thank you for hopping on. Okay, I'm going to just start with my normal skincare routine, and when we get to the goods, because I want to make sure I have a few people on here at least to get this good information, it's literally going to take 2 minutes, you guys. So when you hop on, let me know you're here, and then I'm going to show you this trick. Everybody needs to know this trick. It doesn't matter which kind of eye serum you're using, but I want you to turn your bottle, tube, container over and check your ingredients right now. Hey, Sandy, because that's going to be important to you learning this trick. Hey, Aunt Linda, good morning, good morning. Okay, I'm starting with my One Drop Wonder, my liquid gold. We've got to get that on first thing. No matter what you do, you need to get this on your face. This is going to open up the dermal layers. It's going to penetrate the dermal layers of your skin and get everything ready to be absorbed. Okay, done with that. Okay, as soon as more people hop on, I'm getting ready to give you the goods. All right, I hope everybody had a great weekend. This is earlier than I'm usually on, so y'all know what that means. I got up earlier. It was a fluke. I don't know what's going on this Monday, but it was a fluke. I got up earlier. All right, when y'all hop on, say, hey, let me know where you're watching from. See some new friends on here early this morning on a Monday. All right, this is my Sotox, my liquid Botox in a bottle. I'm a nurse and I'm scared of needles. So this is what we're doing right now, and results are good. Results are good, you guys. I'm 52, haven't had to go under the knife yet. Never say never, right? But I don't think it's happening anytime soon. Hey, Mariah, how are you, my girl? Okay, so we're at the point. I'm ready to dish the secret. I'm ready. Are y'all ready? Okay, have y'all checked the back? Hey, Monique, have y'all checked the back of your eye serum container? I need you to check it. I need you to check it because we need to know if this is going to apply to you. So many people spend so much money on eye serum creams, you guys. That's no joke. That stuff is expensive, right? So I'm going to tell you how to get the most bang for your buck. Y'all know I'll always shoot you straight, and I'm always going to tell you how to get the most bang for your buck, especially with your skincare products. First of all, hey, Cheryl, first of all, make sure that what you're investing in is good for your body, because anything that you put on your skin is going to be absorbed in under 30 seconds. 23 is pretty much what the latest research is showing, and it's going to get into your bloodstream. And research is showing that your skincare products can definitely cause cancer, especially breast cancer. I'm a breast cancer survivor, and they are finding that sections of cancer that they are doing biopsies on women that have breast cancer, they are actually finding parabens in there. So be sure what you're using is completely free of parabens, free of SLS. We can get into that whole discussion. If you have particular questions about that, message me and I can give you lots of information on that. But for the purposes of today's discussion, we are talking eye serum. Turn over your bottles, look at the ingredients. All right, there's one in particular that I want to talk to you about. I'll put it in the description of the live. And if your product has hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate, I can't even say it, it's in the description. You may be using your product wrong. You may be spending a whole lot of money on your product and not getting the effects that you thought you should be getting, okay? I've been using our eye serum faithfully, getting good results, but I thought, I use it for sure in the morning, at night, every night. But in the morning, I'm like, I don't know, if I put it on and I wear makeup. If I don't wear makeup, I use it every morning too. But if I wear makeup, sometimes it doesn't lay as well as I'd like for it to under my concealer. Because, okay, y'all know mama has to wear concealer. You see the darkness right here? Okay, I do. I have to wear concealer. I'm not blessed with, you know, the light, bright under eye. So I've been kind of working with it, trying to get the right consistency, I should say. Until now, I just found this trick. So that ingredient that I just mentioned, and that is in the description, and it's in a lot of eye serums, it binds to water. Okay, everybody has water in their house. Everybody has access to water. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to apply it, and then what you need to do to maximize the effects. Hey, Debbie. Hey, Charlene. So I'm going to show you what to do. Now, I just put on my skincare here, so my hands are a little bit, I might have some trouble opening my serum. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Take your eye serum. You can put it on the back of your hand if you want, just to get a little bit out. It doesn't take much. Okay. This is a ceramic tip applicator. So number one, when you put it on, it's going to immediately soothe and depuff because it's going to feel so nice and cool. So take a little bit, go ahead and put it on. It feels so good because right away it cools and the sensation feels so good. Okay, go ahead and rub it on. Do the same thing for your other eye. It just glides across. It doesn't take a whole lot, you guys, but you know, if you're feeling a little extra, go for it. Okay, and look, I have these 11 lines right here that I've been working on. Look, I'm coming up close. You really can't see them unless I turn sideways. There's a little bit right there. Okay, and if I have any extra on my hand, y'all know I'm not going to waste that. I'm going to just put it right here across these little lines that everybody has from when we tell our children, what are you talking about? You see how they count? Everybody's got those. Okay, so go ahead after you put your eye serum on, whatever you're using. LimeLife makes a great one. But whatever you're using, if it has that ingredient in it that I posted in the description, take some water in a spray bottle, okay? Marie, you hate your frown lines? Girl, we can fix that. Okay, this is a priming bottle, a makeup priming spray bottle, but I have water in it, okay? I keep my bottles and I repurpose it. And then just spray it with water, okay? You ready? That's it. You're going to feel a tightening sensation. And by spraying your face with water, after this, before it's dry, that's when I go ahead, while it's helping all of this I feel it tightening, okay? While your face is still a little bit damp, go ahead and apply your moisturizer. That's going to help it to soak in even better. I mean, y'all, it just glides on. And it absorbs into your skin so much better. It feels so good. And you never, ever, ever leave the house without your sunscreen. Remember, we had this discussion too. This sunscreen, doesn't have anything, no harmful ingredients in it as well. It's free of all harsh chemicals. But it doesn't matter if it's summer or winter or snowing outside, you need your sunscreen. And this one has ingredients in it, especially get it under your chin because it's going to help to tighten all of this up. Who wants turkey neck? But make sure that you get it all on while your skin is still a little bit damp because it's going to help to absorb all of that into your skin too. Okay? And I'm telling y'all, I already feel this tightening up. So by the time I go and grab my little cup of tea, all of this is going to be absorbed into my skin and I'm going to be ready. I'm actually wearing makeup today. I might have to actually take a picture to document that, y'all, because y'all always see me on here with my skincare. But by the time I go ahead and make my cup of tea, all of this is going to be absorbed into my skin and I'm going to be ready to go ahead and put on my makeup for the day. And I'm not going to have any issues with the crepiness under here that I was dealing with before. And that's why I wasn't wearing my Hydrolyzed on the days that I wore makeup. So I would just do it at night. But this has solved my problem. So I had to come on here and share this with you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know, but be sure to check the back, the ingredient of your eye serum bottle, because I'm telling you, this is a game changer. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Oh, Charlene, so does it matter if you use the water before or after the IRIs? Use the water after the IRIs, okay? That's what you got to do. All right. Let me know if y'all have any questions, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.